Proven ways to increase Messenger engagement. After many years of working with clients, building and running a Messenger bot software, using Messenger for myself, and developing a successful agency that builds chatbots, I have realized the starting point to utilizing Messenger is 1. Knowing your chatbot. 2. Knowing the limitations. On the surface, when you look at Messenger and Chatammo's many features, it can seem overwhelming. It is important that we don't try to do everything at once, which makes breaking down each part very crucial. So perhaps start with the chatbot platform itself, then build out from there? The whole object of a chatbot system for your clients is to generate the highest revenue, while keeping tightly within the rules laid out by Facebook, in the use of their platform. When building Chatammo, this was one of our major concerns, as the last thing that we want to do is get accounts banned, but at the same time we want to help our customers build a reliable marketing system that doesn't only supply leads from Facebook. We want to give our customers the power of Facebook huge reach, but then also apply SMS and email to our systems to get their customers away from the algorithm and into their marketing systems. I want to help you understand the core features of Messenger as it relates to building bots that can help you generate more sales and increase customer relationships. The most recent development in social media is chatbots, a software interface that talks with users over FB Messenger, as well as adding the feature to websites, and so much more to get full engagement from users. Do not be afraid. This article will show how simple they are for marketers like yourself, because all I'm going to do is go through some of the key points on what's needed when developing your own marketing-focused chatbot. Chatbot entry points. The very first thing that we need to look at is entry points, which are basically the ways people will get into your chatbot, that are easy for them to use and get results. You need to know how you can get someone into a bot. You'll see, this is the crucial starting point, because until you know this, the rest doesn't matter. You could have the best bot in the world, but if you made it without considering how people might engage with it, you may have made it wrong, and there's a good chance people won't see it at all. So when creating Messenger entry points, it is important to consider what you are wanting from them. Considerations should include: what is the best chatbot for the niche? How are people going to enter the bot? Would the chatbot work better than a landing page? What can your bot do? And more considerations. The best thing is that all of these considerations are easy, once you know what your chatbot is capable of. How to get subscribers to your chatbot. Once somebody enters your chatbot and interacts with it, they become a subscriber, which means you can now start sending follow-up messages, adding them to your email autoresponders, your SMS responder, and so much more. So the money is in that list, and that is what we are setting out to build. If you have a big list of quality prospects, then you will succeed much easier than you ever thought possible. Send message to Facebook page. Simply put, the easiest entry point: whenever somebody goes onto your Facebook business page and clicks the send message button, they will be entered into your chatbot flow, after being greeted with a get started message by your chatbot. Above the get started, you can add a welcome message that the subscriber would see, to help you welcome them into your world. M.me link. This is a naked link that can be used from almost anywhere that you can use to send people directly into your chatbot, and you can also send unique messages through each of the M.me links that you use. One important point to remember when using an M.me. Do not use link shorteners with these links, as some of these shorteners will actually change the link and make it unusable. Chatammo makes it really easy to make M.me links that will send unique bot experiences. I would consider this the best entry point for any business that is online. It directs a user into Messenger immediately upon clicking. Chatammo makes it simple to make M.me links that will send messages to subscribers, and is certainly one of the most versatile entry points out there. Anywhere you can add a link, you can add an M.me. However, an M.me link will still display the get started message if it is the first time the user has arrived on your page. After they have been into the Messenger of the business page, they will not see the get started again. An example of where to use: Instagram influencers in their swipe ups, email lists, buttons on our websites, or anywhere else where we want people interacting with us using Facebook's chat app. But really it can be used wherever there isn't an opportunity to interact physically. QR codes. This is a groundbreaking method of chatbot interaction and can be extremely powerful, particularly when used in Chatammo, with the extra features. But before we get into some of the extra features and ways we would use that, let's first look into the QR code entry point. The best way to think about the QR code entry is like the Me link. When somebody scans a QR code, they are again taken to anywhere you would like them to go to within your Messenger bot, and again on their first time, and they will be shown the Get Started message. Each scan code can either be used inside of a pre-existing bot or can be sent to separate chatbots. Two of the major uses that we utilize the QR codes for our restaurants so that customers of the restaurant can order food to their tables, and the restaurant would know where the order was for. Also for takeaways, using the QR code within their signage and receipts, making it easy for customers to sign and order. Another huge usage is within real estate, where a prospect can pass a home and be taken directly into the chatbot of that home and become a lead for the agent immediately. We have found a lot of our customers keeping their scan codes on their mobile phones, so that when they meet a prospect, getting them into any flow is both quick and easy. Click to Messenger ad. The easiest way to get prospects to your chatbot and start to build a relationship with them is through the Facebook ad platform. A lot of people are worried that spending money on Facebook ads is a bad idea, and with the advent of iOS 14, then ads have become a lot more tricky. Ads used to depend on a large amount that you could retarget the viewer after they have been to your site. Now iOS 14 has made this extremely difficult and can make your ad costs mount up quickly. The answer is, of course, sending your prospects straight to Messenger. This means that you have a direct method of contacting them, and they are now your customers. A great way to think about sending Messenger ads is like sending people to your landing page, and comes with some pretty hefty advantages. Such as 1. People are less likely to bounce from your chatbot, as it is constantly there. 2. Because they are now in your ecosystem, then you can have more touchpoints seamlessly. 3. You can get their email and SMS pre-populated and so reach them via many mediums. 4. Chatbots are proven to convert higher than landing pages, meaning a much higher return on your investment. All of these points add up to a great solution from landing pages and opt-in pages that aren't converting well. Great results can be expected using this method, but it is still important to have a good follow-up sequence in place. Send to the Messenger is classed as a consideration style of ad, which means it will introduce people to what you have to offer. And of course, when they are in your system, it makes it a lot easier, not just to sell your first product but many products after that. There are two main ways that you can set up your Send to Messenger ad: a simple JSON, which is copy and pasted inside of Facebook ads, or keyword engagement, which a keyword would be used to have your chatbot fire a particular sequence. This entry point also bypasses the Get Started button to enter the subscription. Comment trigger. Comment triggers is a great way to engage your audience. This is done by setting up triggers in Chatammo, which then sends private messages from your fan page when someone comments on that post. And that post can also be shared by your personal page to any groups that it may have value for. Now, one thing to remember is, by using a comment trigger, people are not automatically a subscriber. For them to become a subscriber, they need to take an action within your chatbot, so asking a question, or giving an offer could be the order of the day, which would then get the engagement and build your subscriber list. Send to Messenger, checkbox plugin. A hugely powerful way to gain subscribers and to also stop the fall of people often see with their opt-in page. Normally within an opt-in page, you ask for a name and email address, which used to work very well. However, people have now become rather cynical about this and will often have an email address set up for these kinds of emails, or often give an incorrect email. However, once a name and email are entered, then the viewer is taken to the next page within the funnel. Send to Messenger/checkbox plugin will do the same, and still take the viewer to the next page, while making them a subscriber. Now a Send to Messenger entry point will replace putting in name and email, and because Facebook will give you the name of the viewer, and the email that they registered their Facebook account with, and they are now your Messenger subscriber, which has an 80% open rate rather than a 16%. I'm sure you can see the advantages of this. Customer Chat Plugin. This brings you all of the benefits of Messenger right onto your website. On the pages of the website in the bottom left you will see a Messenger icon, which when clicked will take the viewer right inside of your chatbot. Now another huge bonus with your Customer Chat plugin is that it can also boost your website ranking. This is because people are spending longer on your website, which is what search engines love to see. In effect, with a Customer Chat plugin, you're getting double the bang for your buck. If you're looking for a customer acquisition strategy that will drive higher conversions, then consider using chatbots. Chatbots are proven to convert better than landing pages and various other marketing strategies. The human brain is wired in such a way that it prefers to interact with people instead of one-way conversations. This is why a chatbot is so important when building relationships and selling. If applying these principles seem like too much work for you, let us know. Our team would be happy to partner.